हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत करता हूँ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशनल एकेडमी को। दोस्तों, आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ प्लांट किंगडम के बारे में। तो मेरा ये वीडियो को फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए और अच्छा लगे तो मेरा चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का न्यू टॉपिक प्लांट किंगडम। तो MCQs ऑन प्लांट किंगडम, कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द प्लांट किंगडम कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3,90,000 स्पेसीज known till date. The plant kingdom is divided into 5 major groups: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, and Angiosperms. Given below are MCQs on the plant kingdom which will help you analyze your understanding on the topic. The answers are also provided here reference. MCQ on plant kingdom: which of the plant groups needs both land and water to complete their life cycle? Which of the plant groups needs both land and water to complete their life cycle? Bryophyta. Okay, Bryophyta. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। A plant that has seeds but no flowers and fruit. A plant that has seeds but no flowers and fruits is Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms. ठीक है, चल लेते हैं। Most primitive vascular plants. Most primitive vascular plants. Ferns. Ferns. Most primitive vascular plants. Ferns. The next. Plants that possesses spores and embryo but lack vascular tissues and seeds. Plants that possesses spores and embryo but lack vascular tissues and seeds. Bryophyta. Bryophyta. Bryophyta possess spores and embryo but lack vascular tissue and seeds. Which one is not an exception in Angiosperms? Which one is not an exception in Angiosperm? Double fertilization. Double fertilization. Which one is not an exception in Angiosperms? Double fertilization. Pteridophytes differ from mosses in Pteridophytes differ from mosses in independent and dominant sporophyte. The answer: independent and dominant sporophyte. Then Angiosperms are the dominant flora because of Angiosperms are the dominant flora because of power of adapting in diverse habitats. Power of adapting in diverse habitats. Next question. Plants reproducing by spores are grouped under. Plants reproducing by spores are grouped under cryptogams. See answer. Plants having vascular tissue without seeds. Plants having vascular tissue without seeds is Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes. The plant group that possesses the largest ovule, largest gametes, and largest tree. The plant group that possesses the largest ovule, largest gametes, and largest tree. That is Gymnosperms. ठीक है। Zygotic meiosis is the characteristic of. Zygotic meiosis is the characteristic of Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Next question. Pick the mismatched pair. Mismatched pair: Cycos, Dioecious, Equisetum, Homosporous, Salvinia, Heterosporous, Pinus, Dioecious. This is wrong. Pinus, Dioecious. Mismatch. A colonial alga is Volvox. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म्स, double fertilization is the characteristic of angiosperm. Next question, conifers can tolerate extreme environments because of, conifers can tolerate extreme environments because of thick cuticle, thick cuticle. Next, first plants to inhabit the land, first plants to inhabit the land, Bryophytes. The next, agar is commercially obtained from, agar is commercially obtained from red algae, agar, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which one differs from Spirogyra based on its nucleus, zygospore, which one differs from Spirogyra based on its nucleus, zygospore. The cell wall of Spirogyra contains, the cell wall of Spirogyra contains cellulose, the cell wall of Spirogyra contains cellulose. Then which of the following completely lacks cell wall, which of the following completely lacks cell wall, C. Fern. And next, prothallus gives rise to sporophyte without fertilization, this is known as apogamy. Prothallus gives rise to sporophyte without fertilization, this is known as apogamy. Then next, chromatophores participate in, chromatophores participate in photosynthesis, chromatophores participate in photosynthesis. Which one is responsible for the formation of pit, sphagnum, which one is responsible for the formation of pit, sphagnum. Next, isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in Spirogyra, isogamous conditions with non-flagellated gametes is found in Spirogyra. The axine of pollen grain comprises, the axine of pollen grain comprises sporopollenin. Then meiosis occurs in, meiosis occurs in meiocyte. Then next, an evolutionary important character of Selaginella is, an evolutionary important character of Selaginella is heterosporous nature, heterosporous nature. Next, which is the common characteristic of multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and protonema of mosses, protonema of mosses. Which is the common characteristic of multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and protonema of mosses? Multiplication by fragmentation, multiplication by fragmentation. Okay, vascular bundles are not found in, vascular bundles are not found in Bryophytes, Bryophytes. The next, the transport of male gametes in Bryophytes and Pteridophytes occurs through, the transport of male gametes in Bryophytes and Pteridophytes occurs through water. स्टूडेंट्स, प्लांट किंगडम के 30 कुछ MCQs हमने आज के क्लास में डिस्कस किया है. तो मेरा ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। ठीक है, चलता हूँ, धन्यवाद।